Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an organizer and may now speak to any other organizers or panelists on the line. When you are ready to begin the presentation, press the Start Broadcast button on the GoToWebinar control panel to allow all attendees to hear you. This system will notify you once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
All right, so 45 minutes in the day, we usually look at all the portfolios. We say, hey, Kay, show me the money. What's making money? What's losing money? So we go into here, and we will start with S&P. I did not track the last 2 days. I've actually been losing money. I lost like $1,800 yesterday, and I'm down again today. Futures were up 51 yesterday, and my stocks weren't moving. So it's been a couple rough weeks for me trading wise. The bigger positions I put on just haven't been working. There's nothing I can do about it. It's just sometimes you can lose money in a week, you can lose money in a month, you can lose money in a year. But I'd continue to take those trades that that I like. So, and then today I'm down again too. Futures I'm down for. I'm down like $900. So I'm way off the highs of my P&L. Since we started tracking it with the back tester, up about 35,000. For the week, though, down 2,700. SHLS is my biggest dollar amount risk position. CHGN, it says I'm down. Let's get this one. Yeah, that's just a mark. I mean, I'd buy one contract at 3. I sold these as high as 5. The market's $1.50 wide. Okay, RSI, we had no signals today. We actually had a loser yesterday in PDD. RSI, that's a day trade. We have 68 trades this year. We have 44 winners. We have 24 losers for a 64% win rate on RSI. So RSI, there's none today. Next, personal portfolio. I turned that from, I forgot I have UPCH. And I was going to go, I would definitely buy some of these, more of these at 70 cents. So UPCH, it's a position I have on. It's down a little bit. Let's say it's down to about 90 cents. So for personal portfolio, I forgot about that one. I have to add that one, and I'll add that one to the notes tab. So another long here, OPCH. Don't even know what they're doing. I don't even care what they do. So OPCH here, guys. I'm in those. I would actually buy I'd buy more of them at 70 cents. 115 target would be 165. At 70 cents, my target would only be $1. Alpha Shark signals, ITOS, we had a little bit of a chance to get out of those yesterday. I did not sell any of those for a dime. So now it is worthless. Alpha Shark portfolio up 413% year to date. We do shoot these recaps for you guys once a month. So once a month, we'll go over the signals for the month, how they did. And this month we have 5 signals, which is, last month we had 5 signals, 3 winners, 2 losers. Excuse me. Alpha Shark Plus, 498%. So Alpha Shark 413, Alpha Shark Plus 498, personal portfolio 103. Super options, CHGN still on. Now they're back down to about 4. And Glow is still on. Let's see where the Glow calls are. November, they're 115, so those haven't moved. 242%. And if this was the end of the year and I run RSI, personal portfolio, Alpha Shark Plus, Super Option Plus, weekly ATM, and a 10 out of 10, if I run 8 portfolios and they're all up year to date, I'm giving myself a gold medal. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. Super Option Plus, our best portfolio of the year. We're going to now take a loser here in CVS. Those are now down to 91, so it was a winner. Now it's a loser. But the TFC didn't pop, so TFC is now up to 135. So we lost in CVS, and we made in TFC. Best portfolio year to date, 1,217%. Next, weekly ATM. We took off that HIMS position today. We still have a Rivian position that expires in November. We still have a Glow position that expires in November. So a couple positions that expire. Let's look at Walgreens on Option Hacker. I might actually take a position here for ATM Weekly Money Machine. Those are all spreads. And I'm just running WBA on Option Hacker. 6 out of 10. Okay. So weekly ATM, 494% profit. Another winning portfolio. Then 10 out of 10. We've kind of moved it into different categories. And you can see here all the different categories. I'll go over this in a second. Let me grab some water, and I'll take you through the 10 minutes. And then we have a 5-minute break, and then I'll take you through the next portion. So just give me a couple minutes to grab some water here. All right. This feature's on 475. CHDN now up on the day. FLNC down. I had a nice little scalp in FLNC. 55.65. I'm not bid right now. I only have 4 contracts in these. Nike starting to move up a little bit. AAP starting to move up a little bit. Do have targets in AAP at 45 and 60. I took 2 contracts. Nike have targets at 60. I should have targets at 65 and 85. Let's see what my Nike targets are. I have 2. I'm just going to switch those around. These $100 bets, you know, I feel like when you have bets that are so small, you can move your targets up. So Nike, I'm going to have a target at 65. And I have a target at 85. And there's always a chance that it gaps overnight. And if it gaps overnight, then I can make even more money, obviously. So we go back to the portfolio here. We've separated this now for 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, is, I would say, is the hottest portfolio. It's gone down a little bit here. So SHLS is down to 30 now. And these are probably like 15. Maybe they're 20. 382% in about 2 months. And then we have bonus trades. So I added to that Bud trade down here. And the ads have not been working. So maybe learn from our experiences that if, you know, we add to positions, they haven't been working. And the bonus trades are basically about break even here. So Unity down to about 2 cents. Let me add this here. And these are down about 10 cents. And I added a 10 cents here in Bud. Get rid of this. Added a 10. They're worth 10. So there we go. So all the portfolios, guys, if you're members of any of the portfolios, you can get those anytime you want. So you get access to those 100% for free. Futures down 4.5. Oil just getting crushed. I really wanted to buy Oxy as a long-term position. You know, Warren Buffett's got it. So I was looking at Oxy. Oxy, I was looking to buy it around that 50 level. AGEN, we see some calls being bought. OCT5s and AGEN at 35 cents. I don't even know what the ATR is of this. Ugh, I'm not buying this. AGEN, so buyer of AGEN, 10/18/2024, 5 calls for 35 cents. AGEN, guys, AGEN. AGEN trading here, AGEN. And then in about 4 minutes, we take our first 5-minute audio break. AK stretches his legs, and then we'll go through the next 30 minutes of the day. Still in Nike, still in AAP. Those are working out. Trying to get into run. Trying to get out of TFC. Trying to get out of TFC. SHLS about to go up on the day. Ooh, come on, SHLS. My biggest dollar amount risk position. CHGN calls are, I don't know why they're at 480. I should be up money at CHGN. Stock is higher. I should make money. KWeb, SLV. SLV puts trading here. Let's bring that up. I told you guys I was going to give you some ETF trades, and I still do want to give you those ETF trades. So let's go to SLV here on ETF scanner. And puts. SLV 0 out of 10. So SLV, I'm going to take the opposite side. So I'm going to get long SLV. So I'm just going to do 2 contracts. Once again, I'll give you guys this trade. So the 11.29, the 29.28.20 put spread. I want to get 50 cents. Perfect. I'll do 2 contracts. So I'm trying to get long SLV. So SLV, I am selling the 11.29.2024, 29.28 put spread for 50 cent credit. So 50 cent credit here in SLV. Then what I also do is I come into here and I would do more of the 27.26 put spread at 50 cents. So I'm going to offer 4 of those at 50. So there's a free little trade for you guys in SLV. And it's way far away. So I have $100 of risk total. And this is a position that expires literally in 6 weeks. So it's one of those things. It's like a binary bet. I just don't watch it. I don't really care for it. I mean, I have $100 of risk, but I have $100 of risk between now and November 29th. From a trading point of view, in a trading world, that is an eternity away. Literally eternity. So if you want to take that, you can. Futures getting hit here. Still in AAP, still in Nike. I don't really have many bids in under the market. This TFC, I'm going to take off before earnings. I'm going to go back to 140 here. I would like to sell TFC today. That was a trade, I think, for super options. Moved it back to 140. Let's see what position portfolio is on for. Super option plus. So super option plus. Close to getting a target here in TFC. And the futures are selling off here. Futures are down 9 now. Talked about a 21-point move. That's it for a session, guys. We're going to take a 5-minute audio break. We'll take it to the next section. 5-minute audio break. Until the next session. AK. There you go. All right, I'll be back in about 5. Just stretch my legs, maybe pack my bag a little bit.